Schneider Museum of Art presents A Shrine for a Shrine, a solo exhibition by Oregon-based artist Bruce Burris, on view October 5th through December 10th, 2021. A 2018 Hallie Ford Fellow in the Visual Arts, Burris is known for ornate, brightly colored, text-based paintings, collages, and assemblages that mirror or moreover place a lens on observations of class and philosophical divides. Burris's work has been noted as ebullient, trippy, and unruly. As an artist, Burris's content has always been about the issues of place, where he lives and the strife that is embedded in that locality. His focus is most always on the issues that affect working people. He exhibits a high level of craft and corresponding ideas which are always gutsy in content, beautifully rendered, and have a very specific aesthetic and trajectory in terms of his ideas. Burris once said, "I wish to present viewers with paintings and drawings that are filled with a cacophony of information and layers of images and text exposing opinions of many sides. This work is an appeal to have some empathy to listen on occasion to those of us who experience life differently than perhaps I do." This exhibition is accompanied by a catalog with essays from Bean Gilsdorf and Patrick Collier. From Bean Gilsdorf, instead of a direct and reactive critique of social, political, and environmental wrongs, he recognizes that when two-way conversation is absent, only mutual blame and recrimination remain. From Patrick Collier, he makes us listen to the opposition. For how else can we make an informed opinion about what is true suffering and what is an imagined or self-inflicted victimization? This catalog, Bruce Burris, A Shrine for a Shrine, was made possible by a generous grant from the Ford Family Foundation of Roseburg, Oregon.